2 hours a day, no skills equals cash. Bottom line. There's 6 reasons why people don't start an online digital business. And we're going to go through each one of those. But if you want to know how to do so, and you want a free blueprint on how to do so, click the link below in the description and get your free blueprint today. All right, let's get started. The first reason people don't start a business to earn money online is they have no skills. They don't understand what it takes. They don't know where to get the skills. They have nobody to teach them. Copywriting, understanding market research, understanding your customer. Who are you selling to? What are you selling? What are they interested in? All of these questions involve research skills, some type of skill to get better to understanding what you're selling and who you're selling to, so you can make those sales, build that business, and earn that legacy income that you want for you and your family. This would bring about financial independence, maybe pay off the debt that you want to get rid of in time for retirement, increase the income you have for retirement, but you don't need skills to do this. Technology. People 30 to 60 years old are not obviously closer to the 60-year-old where I'm at. I'm 54 myself. We don't really delve into technology. It confuses us. It takes too long to learn. How do you build an email? How do you create a website? What's a lead capture? How do I send an email? How do I create an email sequence to keep my customers interested, to keep them informed of what's going on, to let them know what's available? All of these technology skills, another skill, used to be something that we needed to make sure we could be successful online. What if I told you that's not the case anymore? So you don't need technology skills. You need 2 hours a day. This is a done-for-you business. Done-for-you business, and what I mean by that, right? Your website is set up for you. Your email sequences are set up for you. Your capture landing pages are set up for you. You're even given the blueprint. You're given the program. You're given the product to sell. You're given live coaching sessions recorded. You belong to a community. We'll get into that in a little bit. But this is a done-for-you program from start to end. You're given everything you need to understand and to build your business. You get taught marketing. You get taught email. You get taught the psychology of a customer. All of these skills are learned over time while you're building your business. Again, it's a done-for-you business. It is already built. All you have to do is take the step to implement it. And if you're curious on how and you want to get started earning money passively on 2 hours of work a day to build that legacy for when you retire or for whatever you want to do to become financially independent, click the link in the description, get your free blueprint, and you can get started today for free. Nothing else is involved. So as I mentioned, it's a done-for-you business. So what that means is you get step-by-step instructions, both in video form and written form. You get told how to build a website, what goes on the landing page. You get taught what is a landing page. But if you don't understand that, you're given instructions on how to build it without knowing what it is. Put X here, Y there, and Z here. Your landing page is now built. You can start attracting customers. You're given step-by-step instructions on how to build your email sequence to keep in contact with your customers, to keep delivering value for your customers so that they come back and they understand and they're more eager, more ready to buy from you. You're given step-by-step instructions on how to record your videos. Do you want to market and how to market? Do you want to market on YouTube? Do you want to market on Instagram, on TikTok, if it's still around, right? But you're given step-by-step instructions on how to determine what your customers want. People in the program, the founders in this program, we hold your hand. People in this community, we hold your hand. Step-by-step instruction on how to build everything. So that you get to the point that within 2 hours of work a day, you're earning that passive income and you can live your life the other 22 hours that you want and how you want. The system is automated. So what does that mean? That means it runs on its own. That means you have nothing to do with it once you put the beginning data into it. The data would be a video, an Instagram post, a TikTok. It could be anything of that which you're taught how to do, right? And how to post, all step-by-step instructions I mentioned previously. But the automation comes in the email sequence. Once people come into your program, into the system automatically talks with them, sends them emails, not talks, you know what I mean, sends them emails, keeps communicating with them, keeps helping them to understand how this business may help them as it helps you. And it's all automated. You don't have anything to do. Once it's set up, you let it run. And as it runs, it continues to build curiosity and anticipation in your customers and your leads. And then they become customers and you make money and you continue, and it's all automated. Nothing for you to do once you set it up. And I save the best for last. It's not easy to do something on your own. I know. I've been through it. You've been through it. We've all been through it. Doing things on your own is confusing. It's demoralizing. It's demotivating. Eventually you end up just quitting. You have nobody helping you. That's not the case with this. All right? With the Legacy Builder program, you become part of a community of 50,000 like-minded individuals looking to build their own generational wealth, their own Legacy Builder program. They're helping people become financially independent. They're helping people increase their retirement fund. They're helping people live the life they want to on 2 hours a day. Now, that's a short part of the community. That's a short description of what the community is. But it's 50,000 people helping each other with questions on, well, my YouTube video isn't working, or how do I edit my emails? It's all in the community. Not only do you get all of this in one, you get a community of 50,000 like-minded individuals to make sure you're on track. If you've got questions, you're feeling down, you're not sure if you're doing something right, you post to the community, which is free. It's all part of the program. 50,000 like-minded individuals, 50,000 cheerleaders to help you figure out how and help you to understand it. It's all part of the process. And everybody's working together to get there. If this is something you think is going to help you, then click the link in the description. Get your free blueprint to get started today.